Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PandaDoc proposals from HubSpot pipelines, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure PandaDoc proposals from HubSpot pipelines, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your HubSpot dashboard and locate the pipelines option in the sales section. Select the specific pipeline for which you want to configure PandaDoc proposals. Next, click on the three-dot menu next to the pipeline name for additional options. Choose Edit Pipeline from the drop-down menu that appears. In the Pipeline settings, look for the Integrations tab on the left side of the screen. Click on Integrations to access the available options for your pipeline. Find PandaDoc within the list of integrations and click on it. If you haven't already connected PandaDoc, you will need to authorize the integration. Follow the prompts to log into your PandaDoc account and grant HubSpot the necessary permissions. Once connected, return to your pipeline settings and click on the stages that you wish to configure. Select a specific stage to edit its settings for PandaDoc proposals. Look for the option labeled Create PandaDoc Document and enable it. Customize any additional settings, such as which fields should be pulled into PandaDoc. Next, save your changes to the stage settings to apply the configuration. To create a proposal, navigate to a deal within the chosen pipeline stage. Click on the Create Proposal button that appears once PandaDoc is enabled. This will open the PandaDoc interface, allowing you to choose from existing templates or create a new one. Fill in the necessary details and customize the proposal as per your requirements. Once you have completed the proposal, save it and send it to your client directly from PandaDoc. To track the status of your proposals, return to your HubSpot deals. You will see updates reflecting the progress of your PandaDoc proposals within the deal timeline. This integration streamlines your proposal workflow, enhancing efficiency and tracking. You have now successfully configured PandaDoc proposals from HubSpot pipelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.